Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we shall discuss the coding questions or the programming questions that was asked in Monocept Solve for X hiring challenge. So the test is conducted on the Hacker Earth platform and the test is live. So we shall discuss all the two coding questions. So the two coding question that was asked in the exam. So the first coding question it is on sets, Shruti and sets. So the question is Shruti and Manas are playing with the numbers. So the Manas have n distinct positive numbers to the Shruti and Shruti will insert all these n elements to a set S. So after that the Manas she will ask Shruti to tell her kth greatest element that is present in the set after performing the following task. So here the main thing is that you need to find the kth greatest element. So suppose k is equal to 1, so you are going to find the first largest element in the set, or suppose k is equal to 2, you are going to find the second largest element in the set. So before that you need to perform some of the operations, that is Shruti has to choose all the pairs of two numbers from the set and find their absolute difference and then insert this difference back to the set. So there will be a set. So the first thing is you need to find the difference between the two elements in the set. And then after that, so the result you are going to again insert back to the set. So Shruti has to perform the above operation on the set S until there is no longer changes. So this is the input format. So the first thing is the first line which contains n. So you can see the first line in the input n. So n is 3. So this represents the number of distinct elements in the set. So here you can see there are 3 elements in the set. So the second line denotes the set 2, 6, 8. So n is the number of elements or the distinct elements in the set. So n is 3. And the next line contains the elements. And the last line it denotes the kth value. So which is nothing but k is equal to. So here you can see. So the main thing is that you need to output the kth largest element after performing the above operations. So here there are 3. So here you can see n is equal to 3, which means number of elements in the set. So we have 3 elements and this is the k is equal to 2. So we shall see how the output is 8. The first thing is here they have given the input as the set 2, 6, 8. So as discussed, first you need to find the absolute difference between the elements. So the difference between the first thing is 2, 6. So difference between 2, 6 as well as 6, 10. So which is nothing but 4. So 6, 2. So difference between 6 and 2 it is 4, and similarly 10, 6. So difference between 10 and 6 is also 4. And the next thing is that the absolute difference of 2, 10. So 2, 6 difference is found. Then after that 6, 10 is also found, and the remaining is 2, 10. So the difference of 2, 10 is 8. So you can say as discussed. So you're going to insert the result. So whatever result you get, that you are going to insert back to the set. So here you got 4 as well as 8 after difference. So again you need to insert the 4 and 8. So that is initially the set was 2, 6, 10, and here you are going to insert the difference also in the set. So you are going to insert 4 and 8 also in the set. So you can say the final set is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So after that the k is 2. So which means the k is 2 means the second largest element in the set. So first largest element is 10 and the second largest element in the set is 8. So therefore you are going to display the second largest element in the set, that is 8. So 8 is output. So in this way you are going to write the code for the same. You can use any of the programming language. It can be C, C++, Python, Java, JavaScript. So whichever programming language can be used. And the solution for this it will be, so I'm going to send the solution in the channel. You can go through that. So this is all about the first coding question, and similarly the second coding question it is on matrix traversal. So Abhimanyu's matrix traversal. So the question is, so there will be, first thing is there will be 10 MCQ questions, and the 11th and the 12th question will be the coding question. So the MCQ questions, so you can expect the questions on, so it is a mix of questions. So you can get the questions on quantitative aptitude, logical, and also the technical MCQ questions like questions on data structures, find the missing terms. So those are questions you can expect. So there will be 10 MCQ questions. So the 11th will be the coding question and the 12th is also coding. So there will be 2 coding questions. So the second coding question, that is Abhimanyu's matrix traversal. So here given an integer matrix R cross C, you need to traverse it in the order as shown below. So the input format is that the one line contains the two integers, that is R and C, which represents the dimensions of the matrix, that is where M has rows R and column C respectively. So there are R lines which contains the C space separated numbers of integer which actually form the matrix data. So the thing is that there will be a matrix, you need to traverse those matrix and display. So single line containing integers which represents the desired traversal. So you need to traverse that matrix and display it. So this is the task. So here you can say sample input, so 11.1 and the output. So sample input as well as the sample output. So thing is that you are going to, the first thing is there will be a matrix, so you need to traverse that matrix. So you can traverse the matrix in either diagonal form or either spiral form. So the thing is you need to display the traversal matrix. So this is the simple question. So that was asked in the Monocept. So the solution for both the coding question, it is, so I will provide that in the PDF and send it in the Telegram channel. You can go through that and prepare on the same and take the test. So thank you friends for watching and do subscribe our channel for more updates.